Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to start the lesson equations and then we'll see how this lesson going to be continued. Okay, come let's start to see. First in our syllabus we have three type of equations that we must know. How many? Three types. The first one is linear equations. Then comes simultaneous. And then quadratic equations. And then first let's see the difference between these equations. Starting with linear equations has only one answer. We don't know one algebraic term and we are finding the answer for that one. In simultaneous, we are going to find answers for two unknown terms. Let's see x and y. For both, we don't know two. So we use a simultaneous equation and find the answer for two unknown terms. In quadratic equations, for the same equation, same algebra, the unknown term, we have two different answers for the same unknown term. Okay, so starting with, let's first pause the video like this way and write this down in your exercise book. Okay. Okay, now write the heading linear equations. Linear equations. Let's see under that what we have to talk. That first exercise comes with what we know already. What do we know? Normally what we did last year we are going to talk about. Let's start with the review exercises questions. I will explain you some examples. With that you have to do the whole review exercise. Let me see some examples. Example 1. Very basic. Okay, the example 1. Let's see if it is x plus 5 is equals to 20. When it is linear equations, we must always see to keep the unknown term alone. When we are keeping the unknown term alone, we have to remove all the other numbers from the equation to the other side with its opposite operations. Now this is a plus. When we are supposed to send it to the other side, x is equals to 20 minus 5 will give you x is equals to 15. Then let's see another one, the second example. If it is x minus 3 is equals to 18. If it is minus, what do we do? When we bring it to the other side, we add it. X is equals to 18 plus 3. X is equals to 21. Further, the third example, let's see. When we have it like 3x is equals to 15. Now you can see when there is no sign in between, but always remember there is a multiplication within that. So the multiplication's opposite is division. Both sides we divide by 3. So x is equals to 5. Now we did individual operations. Now let's see if it is the fourth equation. Fourth, let's see a fourth one where you have mixture of things. When we have 2w plus 1 is equals to 19. First, before touching this, we have to remove this plus, bring it to the other side. 2w is equals to 19 minus 1. 2w is equals to 18. Divide both sides now. Now we divide it like previously. Then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. W is equals to 9. Okay. let's continue with the fifth example where we have, let's say if we have a bracket, we say 2x plus 5 is equals to 30. When we have like this way. First, now you can see the x is inside the bracket. Before touching the x, we have to remove this 2. So that 2 is, if there's no signs at all, it's a multiplication. So we divide both sides by 2. Then this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Now the brackets will get opened up and it will be x plus 5 is equals to how much? 15. Now, like the normal way, x is equals to 15 minus 5. Therefore, x is equals to 10.
3.
Okay. Now I have given 5 examples related to the review exercise. Write all the examples in your writing book and then comes to the review exercise. Do the review exercise, all the sums, and I will continue with this. End of the day, I will send you all the answers. You can double check it. So I want to see all of you doing this and keep it ready and check your answers.